want to show you how to play the song Mary's Boy Child. Beautiful Christmas song. Christmas ballad is sung by Belafonte. If you want the letter notes for that, you go to LetterNotePlayer.com. I have them there for you. Let's start with the introduction. It's a B flat chord. We're in the key of B flat and we start on a B flat. B flat F. F B flat. B flat F. F B flat. And then we hit the whole B flat chord. Black, white, white, B flat, D, F. Now for the right hand there, we're going to hit, after this F, we're going to hit the B flat chord, only we're going to put the B flat on top. D, F, B flat. So it'll be, then right back up, and then come down and arpeggiate the chord. F, B flat, D, back up to the chord. F, B flat, D, and then we hit the chord in the left hand. And then we've got our melody. So here's your melody. F, 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 B flat, F, G, E flat, C, G, G, F, A, G, E flat, D, F, D, C, B flat, G, E flat, C, G, F, B flat, A, C, B flat. And then the chorus, a little grander, a little bolder sound. D, D, E flat, C, C, D, D, B flat, C, B flat, A, G, F, D, C, B flat, G, E flat, C, G, F, B flat, A, C, B flat, and then we've got an interlude where we'll just arpeggiate the chord. So it's that same arpeggio with D, E, F, B flat. Now let's put it together with the intro and going on with the verse, and I'll show you the left-hand notes as we go. Here we go to an E flat chord. Now you've got your B flat chord, and all we do is slide up the D to the E flat and the F to the G. And we've got an E flat chord with E flat in the middle. E flat is E flat, G, B flat, black, white, black chord. And we're going to put the E flat in the middle because we're already on that B flat. And then we're going to walk right up to a C minor chord. So you're going to go D, B flat, E flat, C minor chord. Now C minor chord is C, E flat, G. So your major chord is C, E, G. You lower that third and you've got your minor chord, your C minor. So here we go. And now we're going to go right to an F chord. Let's see how we're walking that up. B flat, E flat, C minor, F. For the F chord, we're going to keep the C and we're going to walk this E flat up to F and the G up to A. So we'll have a C, F, A. Your F chord is F, A, C. And we're going to put the F in the center. So let's do it again. Back to the B flat chord. And then we'll have a little interlude with F, B flat. And this one will go F, B flat, and then we'll break up the chord, add the third and the fifth to it. Right with that C, then hit the E flat chord before the singing. So hit the E flat chord, then G, E flat, C, and the C minor chord comes right with the C there. Then we go back to the B flat. And now we're going to have an F7. Now your F7 is F, A, C, E flat, 1, 3, 5, 7. But we're going to play it with C, E flat, F right there. We're going to play just those notes. And you've already got the A up here. So we have all of the notes of the F7. So it'll sound like. Just hold it because it's the end of that phrase and the end of the verse for a little bit, and then we go right into the chorus. Now we're going to walk those chords too. B flat chord, E flat chord, C chord, back to the B flat chord. And then our next chord is going to be a G minor chord with G on top. G minor is G, B flat, D. See, here's your G major. There's your G minor chord. We just lower that third. So we're going to go to a G minor chord with the B flat on the bottom and the G on the top. And then to a C major chord. And to a C chord, or to an F chord with the F in the center. And then we're back to the B flat chord. So the chorus will be here's your G minor, C major, F major, back to the B flat chord, hit the E flat chord before the vocals, so the C minor, here's that F7 again, and what you're going to do, you're going to hit the chord with the vocals, and then we go right immediately into an arpeggio. That's just going to be F, D, F, B flat, F, D, F, rest, F, D flat, D, F, B flat, F, D, F. So it'll sound like, and then hit the chord with each beat. And then we're into the second verse. So it's just going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, and then hit the chord, and we're into the second verse. Now this is while shepherds watch their flock by night. So just kind of hold that chord through that as you do the shepherds watch there, and we change on flock. And you can shorten that by just a little. And then we got 3 G's in a row. Short E flat. So it'll sound like this. Let's go right back to before the interlude. So there you're going to go F, B flat. And what I like to do right there is F, B flat, then play the melody, hit the D and the F with that, and then hit the B flat G, then change to the chord, change another chord. If you have trouble with the timing, you can make it more conventional. But what he does is he waits right there, and then he hurries through that da 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 dee dee da bum bum bum, and then our interlude right there before the third verse is just going to be F F B flat chord. So let me get the timing on that. This verse is now Joseph, so I pause right there, and his wife Mary. So I pause a little bit after each of the people right there. This interlude is going to be different, and it'll take a little bit of practice to get your hands to do it. Hit the chord with the B flat, go right into the arpeggio, and hit 2 F's right with the arpeggio. I'll slow it down. So you can hit that any tempo you want. It's not going to hurt you at all to go slow. So this one is going to be like the verse, like the interlude after the first verse, but it's changed a little bit. I don't keep hitting that chord. So then hit the chord again, and then you come right back in with the chord again. Now here you've got by and by they find a little nook in a stable all forlorn. So you kind of want to paint it with that, with your melody. And see, this is where Mary's little boy was born. So you want to make that a little emotional right there. So there we're into the tag chorus, and I play it just a little stronger and a little bolder, and then as we get to the end, you just drag it out to make it a little more majestic there right at the end. So it'll sound like you got those two F pickups, and then. This one is, and man shall live forevermore. So this is talking about eternal life that comes from Christ, and so you want to make this a little bit more important there too. And then here's the ending. I'm gonna drag out each note. I'm gonna build a retard into the regular melody. So basically, we'll double the beats of each note. And then we go into an arpeggio to tag it out instrumentally. But it'll sound like this. And then here's the ending. So the same thing we've done, and then we tag this with a B flat F, B flat D, F, B flat. And I end with two notes there, the D and the B flat, because it sounds better than. So you can end it with just one note, but I like the two notes on there. So let's play it right from "And Man Shall Live Forevermore" right through to the end without me talking. There you have it. Beautiful song, Mary's Boy Child. I hope you enjoy playing it.